wise and get truckerized today.
Well, hello again, everyone. Another Longhorn Superior N6 for Rodney in North Carolina. Rodney, we got it ready to go. We got this beastie heat sink down here. This thing is full of power. Let me show you what we got. RF power all the way down, 500 watt slug. Got to say about 25 watts, so if you decide to run an amp, which you very may well do it, you got full adjustability. Around 150 all the way up. Show you average power swing to audio. 300 bird. 1000 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 audio. About 720 PEP. Alright, my friend, we're going to get it over to you to the Carolinas from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get your truck rise tuned today. Truck rise.